Hi, it's Laurel here. Um, I'm offering a free course on how to get started on making your own canvas rug. I've had Laurel's Originals for over, almost 40 years. And in the last 15 years, I've been making hand painted canvas rugs. And you've written to me and said, how do I do it? I think it's a great idea. I know that you have art lurking in your heart and in your head, and you think it would be a cool idea to put it on a canvas floor cloth. And I want to help you do that. So if you click the link below, you'll be signing up for my email list, Laurel's Canvas Rug Crafters, okay? And you'll get a link that'll take you straight to the free course, and you can get started. Make sure that you buy the right canvas and how much canvas to buy and how to prepare that canvas before you begin the process of cutting and sewing to make your canvas rug. So I hope you join us, and if not now, when? I know you've been thinking about it. I thought about it for almost 2 years before I got started. So I would just want to help you get a jump start, okay? All right, so click on the button below, sign up for Laurel's Canvas Rug Crafters, and get your free course on how to get started on making your canvas rug. All right, see you on the other side. Bye-bye.